Hey, this is Jack with Reynard Custom Homes. I'm out here in North Georgia in beautiful Talking Rock, and we're looking at actually two homes on about 300 acres out here. The one behind me here is about 4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. We've got another family home also right behind me here. That's about 5,000 square feet. Hey, so I'm stepping into the double high living space. It's the central part of this home. To my right is the kitchen. Right above that is the office space that goes out and extends to this rear deck. And back on this rear deck, we've got a really amazing view of the mountains. We've got a master suite with its own extended master deck, looking out over this amazing panoramic view of the Talking Rock. To my right, we've got the office and master suite that comes out to this rear deck. As I keep going down the rear deck on the back of the home, I'm coming up to the outdoor fireplace, which is beautiful. It's going to be an awesome place to stay warm on those cold nights up in Talking Rock. I'm excited to take you around the rest of the home here. It's about 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 4,000 square feet.